In today's video, I am going to teach you how to open images in Lightbox on Squarespace. This is a simple feature that helps your images look more polished and interactive. Instead of visitors seeing only a small image on the page, they can click it and view it in a larger, focused Lightbox view. That is especially useful for galleries, product images, and visual callouts. To get started, log into your Squarespace account. Make sure you are logged in to the correct site, because Lightbox settings depend on the page and the image block you are editing. Once you are signed in, you will be taken to your Squarespace dashboard, where you can manage your website content. Next, open the Pages panel and select your page. The Pages panel is where you can choose which page you want to work on, such as your home page, a specific blog page, or a landing page. Take a moment to confirm you are editing the right page, since changes you make here will only apply to that particular page. After you have your page selected, click Edit. This opens the page editor so you can make changes visually. In the editor, you can see the layout exactly as it appears on the site, which makes it much easier to locate the specific image you want to change. Now find the image block you want to open in a Lightbox and click that image block. Look for the image area on the page. When you click it correctly, you should see the image block become selected, usually with handles or an outline that indicates it is active. With the image block selected, click the pencil icon, which is the Edit Image control. This step is important because it takes you into the settings that apply specifically to that image. You should now be able to adjust how the image behaves and how it is styled. Once the edit options are open, click the Design tab. The Design tab contains display and interaction settings, which is where the Lightbox option is located. Take a moment to look across the available tabs so you are sure you are in the correct section before changing anything. Inside the Design tab, toggle on Lightbox. When you enable Lightbox, Squarespace will allow visitors to click the image and view it in a larger overlay. This is the key change that creates the Lightbox effect. Make sure you see the toggle switch move into the enabled position, since the feature will not activate unless the toggle is actually turned on. After you enable it, click Save. This ensures the Lightbox setting is applied to the image block on your page. Saving is an important final step because it locks in your changes so they are reflected when you preview or publish. At this point, your image should be set up to open in a Lightbox. If you want to confirm everything looks right, you can preview your page to test the image interaction. The experience you are aiming for is simple. Click the image, and it should open in a larger view that stands out from the rest of the page content. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.